Now we will gonna unwrap my Gucci Dome bag, which I purchased from my trusted shopper, my friend Novi's online from Spain. I purchased this one long time ago, but I just upload it now. And this one, it's color black. It comes with a paper bag, a dust bag, and the extra sling. So this bag is a two-way bag. You can do it as a handbag or a sling bag. And this one, it's a small size, and you can also put a lot inside the bag. And well, let's see inside. So it comes with the receipt, and next will be the card. So yeah. And there, it's also a spacious bag, guys. Trust me. You can put a lot inside. And this one is one of my favorite bag.